Today let me discuss about a hacker-rank problem, array reversal. In this question, the array is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are present in this array. We have to reverse the number of elements that present in the array, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the question. The input format is, in the first line contains an integer n denoting the size of the array. First we have to get input for the size of the array. Then we have to get input for the each element present in the array. Then the output is, we should print the array in a reverse order. The sample input, for example, the sample input is 6. That is, the size of the array is 6. 16, 13, 7, 2, 1 and 12 are the elements present in the array. We have to reverse it and we have to print that array. This is the coding for this question. First of all, we think logic for this one. That is, let's consider the size of the array is 6. So, 6 elements are present in the array. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are elements present in the array. The main logic is, we have to swap first and last digit, second and fifth digit, third and fourth digit. That means it will be printed as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the logic for this question. We have to implement this logic into this code. Inside the main function, first we have to declare a variable. That is, num, j, I and k are the variables. Then we have to get input for the size of the array. That is, here we declared as a num. Then in third line, for array we can allocate memory dynamically by using a malloc function. This is the syntax for this. Malloc will return the address of the allocated memory. Then in next for loop, we have to get input for the each element present in the array. Then this for loop is the most important one. In this, the initialization is, we have to initialize I equal to 0, j equal to num minus 1. Because number is the size of the array, that is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So the index is start from 0 to 5. So only we declaring j equal to num minus 1. Then the condition is I less than equal to j. Then increment and decrement operation will be performed. In this, the swapping operation is, k is the temporary variable. It stores the element of array of I. That is, now I is equal to 0. So, the same concept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this, first we have to swap 1 and 6. We have to swap 1 and 6. So, in temporary variable k, array of I is allocated. That is, array of I is array of 0. That is 1. 1 will be stored in k. K equal to 1. Now, array of I equal to array of j. That is, in array of I, array of j will be stored. J is 5. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the array of 5. So, array of I, 6 is stored. Then in array of j, k is stored. So, it is swapped. That is 6 stored here and 1 stored here. The first and last digit of a number is swapped. Like this, we have to repeat for all the numbers inside the loop. After that, we have to print the number of elements in the array in a reverse order by using this. Now we run this program. Yes, we got an output for this. Let's check the test cases. all the test cases are passed in this program. That's all. Thank you.